In the 2017 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.